Luxurious, soft and long-lasting leather. How we love you. We love your character, your patina, the smell, the touch. But unfortunately, you are one of the most polluting fashion byproducts. So what are the alternatives? In this video, I will give you a range of options that will set you on the right path to a better and more sustainable relationship with leather. Whatever the source of leather you are wearing, it's very likely that it's animal hide or skin. This means your clothes, shoes or bags have been produced out of cow, goat, kangaroo, crocodile, snake, fish or other animal skin. Besides the cruel sourcing of all these types of leather, the main problem is the heavy chemical process that takes to get this product consumer ready. Around 80% of leather is tanned using chrome. Chrome tanning deposits vast amounts of toxic waste into public rivers and water sources. Moreover, the people that live in these production areas or the workers that come into contact with chromium develop cancers and other life-threatening diseases. The local environment becomes so toxic that it eventually cannot sustain any type of life. If you would like to know more about the side effects of the leather industry, this Pulitzer-awarded mini documentary has more information. I will link it in the description below. What can you do to stop the animal cruelty, disease and pollution that are linked to leather products? The easiest thing to do is to hold on and take a good care of your leather items for as long as possible. If the item you have is beyond repair, try to repurpose it. A leather jacket, for example, can be turned into a leather bag. Just find the closest business that works with leather, such as craftsman or shoe repair store, and give your old leather item a new life. If you are looking for a new leather purchase, I strongly suggest looking into buying vintage. This will put the tanning industry on hold as there are more than enough leather items out there. Moreover, vintage items will save you money and look unique. If repurposing or vintage shopping doesn't work out for you, fret not. Here are some humane, sustainable alternatives to animal leather that look just as good. I would have loved to include here faux leather as an alternative, but unfortunately this is not the case. Polyvinyl chloride and polyurethane leather is a plastic byproduct, and as we all know, plastic is forever. This type of faux leather breaks faster and ends up in landfills and our oceans even faster. So whenever you see PVC or PU on the label, give them a hard pass. Next on the list of alternatives we have Pinatex. Pinatex is a natural textile made from pineapple leaf fiber. The leaves are the byproducts of existing agriculture, so they require no extra farming. Their use creates an additional income stream for farming communities. Pinatex is a natural, sustainably sourced, cruelty-free material produced with low environmental impact and high social responsibility in mind. Another viable alternative to leather is mushroom leather. Yep, mushrooms can become more than just a tasty salad. My coworkers have found a vegan, sustainable solution to the leather problem in their backyard, you could say. They have created a new kind of leather, grown rapidly from mycelium and agricultural byproducts through a carbon-negative process. This custom-engineered material is sustainable, versatile and animal-free. Apples are another great natural source for vegan leather. Happy Genie is using fiber waste from apples to create luxurious leather that gets turned into beautiful and multi-purpose bags. The bags are handcrafted in Italy. Their process is completely transparent and they support local craft through their business model. This next one isn't really another type of leather, but it can easily replace your leather belt in terms of durability and looks. Laura Szabo is repurposing tires of all kinds into beautiful belts. I think it's a great idea as this type of rubber is not biodegradable, so giving it a new life is the more sustainable way to go. CORK leather is yet another great alternative to animal-sourced leather. CORK turns this vegan, sustainable, chemical-free material into bags, wallets, and other accessories. The benefits of CORK leather are multiple. The material is lightweight, waterproof, wear and tear resistant, and soft to the touch. Every piece of CORK leather is unique due to the nature of the material, so no two items will ever look alike. I hope these 7 alternatives to animal leather have piqued your interest, and I'm pretty sure that as technology progresses, more and more solutions for sustainable leather will appear. If you have a friend that is considering a leather purchase, please do them a world of good and share this video with them. And now it's your turn to tell me what animal leather alternatives are you using? Which of these options will be the easiest for you to adapt? Please share with me in the comments, let's chat. And don't forget to check another videos that I have on sustainability. You can learn more about natural fabrics and synthetic fabrics and understand what are the best options for you and the planet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.